Hello, in this video we're going to do an introduction to what's called a linear search. So a linear search is a technique used to search a collection of elements for one specific element. So if we think of our list of elements as 3, 6, 2, 7, 8, 1, I can apply a linear search to search for the value of 7. And what a linear search does is it simply looks at each number in sequence and evaluates if it's what you're looking for. So if I set up indices on each of these, what I'm going to do is I'll start by looking at index 0 and say, is that 7? No. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? No. Is this 7? Yeah. And that's what a linear search is. A linear search will move in a linear fashion through a collection of elements searching for a specific value. And there it is. And we can return a variety of things. We could return, for an example, a yes-no true-false statement if the element's been found or not, or we might return the index of where the value is found. In this case, we could return that the value is found at index 3. So, again, a linear search is simply taking a collection of data, a collection of elements, and searching through them in a linear fashion. That is, looking at each element in sequence. So if in this case I'm looking for the value 9, is it at index 0? No. Is it at index 1? No. Index 2? No. Is it at index 3? No. Is it at index 4? No. Is it at index 5? No. And then what happens is I've gone through all elements in this data structure. So now the question is what I return. Well, I could return false, the element isn't found. Or if I wanted to return a numerical value, so in our last example we returned the index of where that element was found. In this case, what we could return is -1. And that's commonly what computer scientists will do. If you're searching for the location or the index of a value in a data structure, such as an array or an array list, what will happen is if that element isn't found, it returns a value of -1. And that is a linear search. In the next two videos, we'll look at an implementation in Python and another implementation in Java. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.